Are you working at height? Then you already know safety is an option. Safety is a necessity. At RMD Profiles, our full arrest systems are here to keep your people safe while they work above ground. Whether it's airbags or safety netting, we provide full supply and installation, giving you the full protection from the ground up. Our airbag systems are designed for fast deployment. They cover full working areas and absorb falls from heights, keeping your site compliant with HSE standards and protecting your workforce. For open steel frames or areas where airbags aren't suitable, we install engineered safety nets to BS EN 1263 standards, installed by FASET trained operatives, anchored properly and inspected regularly. Every full arrest install includes full risk assessments, toolbox talks and daily checks, so there's no second guessing. Safe workers, clear process, compliant install. If your site needs protection from day one, contact us today. We'll help you choose the right system and get it in place quickly.